Hello, Lindley Lions. This is Miss Dennis, the curriculum facilitator. I'm creating a quick parent tutorial to help you get started for NWEA testing, walk you through a few things that might make testing smoother from the remote virtual side. The first thing I want to prompt you to do is if you're familiar with our NC Ed Cloud Rapid Identity website, I'm going to ask you to open that on your child's device. You can also access this by clicking on the Rapid Identity NCED Cloud Black app icon if you're on a GCS device. For username, you want to type in your student's lunch ID. It's a 10-digit unique code for them. And for the password, you're going to type in Lindley, capital L Lindley, 0, followed by the numerical grade level they're in. Lindley 03 for third, Lindley 04 for fourth, and Lindley 05. So that's their student lunch ID and Lindley 0 numerical number of grade that matches their grade level. So once you're in the site, you're going to see a dashboard that looks like this. You're looking for Clever, the blue icon with the C that's white. You're going to select that Clever button. And your child should see a yellow icon with the letters NWEA, and it should say Secure Browser. This is going to let them take and access the test. So they're going to double click on this. You should successfully see a window that says login. However, you might get a yucky message that looks like this. So most of the time, this just means that your pop-up blocker is disabled, which most people have it disabled because we don't like pop-up blocks. But for this app, for this platform, you do need to allow pop-ups because that's the only way they can take the test. Depending on what browser you're using, your pop-up might be in a different spot. So you have to look under, if you're using a Chrome, you have to find the 3 dots on the side of your computer. And you want to enable pop-up blocks. That would mean allow them. If you're on a Firefox browser, it's going to look like this. And all of them are just telling you to go to settings and allow the pop-ups. If you're on a Mac or Safari, then you want to go to settings under the website and allow pop-ups. That if you're on an iPad, you want to go to Safari, click on where it says block pop-ups and enable it. So if you're on Google Chrome, it might just pop up and say always show. You're going to select always show. So just know that if you get that window, it's very familiar. Just open a browser and type in Clever NCED Cloud and it should let you in. So once you're in, the teacher is going to provide a session name. We're going to do a fake session name to get us in, just to see what it looks like. After you type in the session name and password, you're going to be prompted to find your child's name. Once you find your child's name, there's going to be a test already assigned to them. You're going to press your blue arrow and you're ready to test. The teacher does the rest. So if you do get this window for the pop-up blocks and you feel like you cannot enable, you can just open a different browser and you can type in student login NWEA and it's going to be your very first website and you just try another browser. If you have troubleshooting issues with technology, the teacher will be there to help you, but this video should make it very successful for you to log on. We're here to help you, but I hope this helps.